What's the next animals? What are those, Nathan? What are those animals? What are those, Nathan? Dinosaurs. Okay, okay. You separate. Separate the dinosaurs. Ha?
Hindi na nalagyan. Dapat sa ilalim yun eh. Ito ba yung raptor?
What are those, Nathan? What kind of dinosaurs? What kind of dinosaurs, Nathan? Show mommy. Show mommy. And tell me what's the name of that dinosaur. Oh, you talk na, Nathan. You speak. You talk. You talk. You talk. You talk. You tired? You tired already?
There. Here. Oh, someone's phone.
What's this? It's a Tyrannosaurus.
What? What is that? Tyrannosaurus? No, it's not correct. Ah, the dinosaur eat the crab. Oh no. You have na daddy.
Kaysa maging iPad mo.
Ha?
Kaysa maging iPad. Alam mo yung mga kamala yun.
Oh, help me, help me. Oh no.
Tyrannosaurus and sweet egg.
How many toys do you have? So many? Yes, it's so many, guys. Oh, ang dami ng laruan ng batang to. Small animals.
What? Where are so many? I don't know. Oh, there's a Wyatt. Oh, Wyatt. You can play it? No. Oh, no.
You have daddy. You have daddy. Have daddy.
Kung malilit na lang kapag sa malalaki. Yung malalaki hindi pa maano.
At least, yan, marami.
No?
Oh, kaysa yung malaki, maliit, isa lang. Malaki, isa lang. Tapos mahal pa. Yan na lang, para ma-identify lang niya ano yan, ano yan. Nathan, what is this? Do you know what is this? Huh?
It's a stew.
No, it's a lobster. It's a lobster, Nathan.
Oh, what's this? It's a playground. I don't know.
How about this one, Nathan? Do you know what is this? Nathan, look at this one. Nathan, look at this. Tampot. Tampot, what is this? Look at this one. Tan. Nathan, what is this? Nathan, what is this?
It's a jellyfish.
No, it's not a jellyfish. It's not a jellyfish.
You're wet? Naku, baka umihi.
Wet nga siya.
Umihi yun.
Susi daw.
O, sige, bye-bye muna kay Wet na.
Oh no.
Okay.